Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sanjeev Garg. Today we are going to discuss about second design principle, that is open close principle. So we will discuss what open close principle is, where it is useful, and we will walk you through a simple code example easy to understand for you. Let's get started. So open close principle state that every class should be open for extension but closed for modification. Okay, it means you should be able to add new functionality to the class but without changing the existing code. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, let's say you have a store. In store we have the different customer. Let's say we have regular customer, we have VIP customer. Okay, for the regular customer we will give 10% discount. For the VIP customer, let's say we are giving 20% discount. So this type of scenario, how we will implement without using the open close principle, first we will see this. Okay, let's say we will make a discount calculator class here. In discount calculator class there is a function void double calculate discount. Okay, so void or double both are written types, only one we will take, that is double calculate discount. Okay, so calculate discount, we are giving the discount based on the customer type. Okay, let's say we have a customer type here, and amount, on amount, let's say amount is or price. If our customer type equals to, let's say, regular customer, we will simply give the discount of 10%, means 0.1. okay, so else, let's say else if our customer type is VIP, let's say VIP customer, we will give the discount of 20%. So else we are not giving any discount, so price will be remain same. So return price. Okay, so now let's make the driver class for this class, discount calculator main class. Okay, in discount calculator main class, let's say public static void main. Okay, then string args we will take here, string args. Okay, now we will make the object of discount calculator class. So object discount calculator equal to new discount calculator. Okay, so now we will call discount calculator to calculate discount for what? We are calculating discount for regular employee, regular customer. Okay, regular customer, let's say we are giving the discount of, okay, so let's say we have 20, price of the amount, price is 20 rupees, so double discounted price. Okay, now we will print the discounted price for the regular employees, regular customer. System dot out dot print discounted price. Okay, discounted price. Okay, discounted price will be like plus discounted price. So now we are going to print the discounted price. Here is regular customer is here, and if I'll check, regular customer is also here. We are giving the 10% discount, means we have given is the 20 rupees, so our answer should be 18. price is 2.0. For the regular customer we are giving the discount of okay. So if you see what we are calculating here, we are giving the discount of 20%. So we are giving the discount for the regular customer is 10% basically. So this is not the discounted price. So discounted price will be this 20 plus 20 minus this discounted. This is the actual discount. How much discount you are going to give? Discount. Discount. Okay, so let's run it again. So if you see discount is 2 rupees, okay, we can add 20 minus 2 rupees is actual discounted price. So in this way we are giving discount to the different customer. Regular customer same for the VIP customer. So if I add here VIP customer, so our discount will be 4 rupees. So discount will be 4 rupees. Let's run it again. Okay, discount will is 4 rupees. So if you see here, let's say in future there is another customer type, let's say VVIP customer that we want to add. So to add that we have to add a new else if statement here, so that we can incorporate the another customer type as well. Okay, so if you see, whenever we are adding a new customer type, we have to change the logic here. So we are modifying the existing class. So but according to the open close principle, a class should be open for extension but closed for modification. Okay, so over the time it will become difficult to handle or manage this class if the customer types over the time increases. Okay, so how we can solve this problem with the help of open close principle? So what we can do, as these are the customer type, so what we can do, we can we are giving the discount based on the customer type, so we can make a discount policy rule. On that rule every customer type will basically implement that rule. Okay, how we will do this? Let's say we have discount policy. Okay, discount policy is basically, it's in a rule, so we'll make it an interface. Okay, so it will return double calculate discount. Calculate discount calculate discount on amount or price. Okay, we have this regular customer discount. Okay, it will implement discount policy. Now we will implement the logic here. We will simply return price. Okay, similarly we will have another discount policy, that is for VIP customer discount. So it will implement discount policy. Okay, so it will return price multiply 0.2. It's a 20% discount we are giving. Okay, now if you see in our discount calculator, we have this method already moved to the different discount policies. So we can now remove this. Okay, Now we have the discount policy, and at the run time we will choose which discount policy you want to apply. So what we will do, this discount calculator class will have discount policy, and we will set the discount policy. Set discount policy. This dot discount policy equal to discount policy void void execute discount policy. Execute discount policy. So discount policy dot calculate. So here int or double price. Okay, so here if you see, we are giving responsibility to the different discount policy to execute their discount. So what we can do, so it's returning, we can just simply give it void, or let's say it's double only, then it will return double. Okay, so let's make it return double. Okay, now there is no need to use this line here. So we have the two different discount policies. One is for the regular customer discount, equal to new regular customer discount. Okay, similarly we have VIP customer discount equal to new VIP customer discount. Okay, so for the discount calculator, we have to give which policy you want to set. Let's say we want to set the regular customer discount policy. Okay, regular customer discount policy we have set. Now we will execute the discount calculator calculate function. So discount will be discount calculator dot calculate dot execute discount policy. So let's say price is same 20 rupees. So so discount is 2. Let's say if instead of regular customer we want to set for the VIP customer, let's say VIP customer discount policy. Now discount is 4 rupees. So if you see in future, let's say if we want to add new VVIP discount policy, so we can just simply add a new class here and we will implement this discount policy. Okay, so there is no need to change the main logic discount calculator class. Over the time, let's say if we want to remove any policy, we can easily remove it. So this is how actually the open close principle states that class should be open for extension but closed for modification. So we are not doing any modification here, we are adding just a new class or giving the new functionality. So this is how actually the open close principle works. Okay, so I hope you got better understanding now for the open close principle. If you like my video, please do subscribe, do like, and please let me know in the comment if it is useful for you or should I make it better way. Thank you guys, bye.